quick video on this Reimo rain gutter strip. This is a rubber extrusion. The idea is that you stick it on above your driver's or passenger door and it goes along here like this and it extends down there. Basically it's to stop rainwater running off your roof, and then when you open the door you get soaked because the drips come in. So it works really well if you've got a pop top, because sometimes they don't have gutters in them, or very good gutters, so it helps to channel any water that's dripping off down to the front. So it's a very simple product, but basically to stick it on you're going to need some sort of panel wipe degreaser, rag or a bit of blue roll, and you just clean that metal surface off so that you get a really good stick when you peel off this backing strip. So I'll just put it on now and you can see what's involved. Okay, I've started putting it on there from this end. Now, as you can see, I've just stuck it just above the existing door seal, so the bottom of the Reimo rail just tucks slightly under the fold in the metal, and that means, if I can just view it from above, you can see that it opens up to catch the rain. And what I'm discovering is that you've got to push in the channel with your thumb to get a good contact on that tape strip as you peel it off. So I'm just going to keep working that along. If you don't get the tape strip stuck on properly, it doesn't tend to open up. It tends to stay closed like that. But it seems to be going on fine. Okay, that's the rain gutter strip stuck on. So I've just cut mine at a bit of an angle down at the bottom there, just above the wing mirror housing. So you can see that because we've pushed in really well on the tape strip, it's opened up this channel. So that rainwater is going to run from the top of the door, if I can show you. Where is it? There. It's going to run in there and then off down towards the front. So it's barely noticeable on the van because it kind of runs alongside the existing rubber door strip. But that's the overall effect. So that's it, fairly low cost solution to a bit of an annoying problem with rainwater dripping in your doors. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope it helps you to A, make the choice whether you want it or not, and B, help you stick it on properly. Alright, see you next time. Thanks, bye.